Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to today's video. I hope you're all having a nice chilled weekend. Today is a nice chilled speed clean. I'm doing the main bathroom today. It's definitely not a deep clean. I'm mainly focusing on the bath and the floor because, as you can see, it has got pretty bad. Everything else is going to get a wipe down with the antibac wipes just to freshen everything up. This isn't going to be too much of a chatty one today, it's more of a relaxed and get on with it kind of video. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell and set the notifications just so you don't miss a post. I do post on this channel every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday, all to do with cleaning and motivation. So if you need any more motivation, please do subscribe and leave this video a thumbs up.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering.
If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up just to let YouTube know that you do like it. And I am also going to leave my Instagram in the description below. I would love for you to go over, give me a follow, say hello and let me know that you came from here. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and I will see you back here on Tuesday.